Hello guys, welcome back to Good Gaming Ideas. This is Paul and today we are reviewing this nice radiator from EK-CoolStream CA280 for my PC. So I've just got it today and let's open the box. Just fresh out of the box. I haven't opened it yet, so it's gonna be a surprise for me. Alright, so let's open it. Okay, so we have a box in a box. Let's open this one. And okay, it's a nicely packed radiator. Double box and in bubble wrap. Oh, I dropped something. Okay, dropped something. Okay, so I dropped this box and it's a box. So this is plastic and alright, so it's a small. Okay, so it's cardboard with screws and the small tool for screwing in the screws. Okay, let's put it here. And okay, this is actual radiator. It's a 80mm radiator. Okay, and 45mm stick, I believe. Okay, yeah, it's 45mm. So it's very, you can see through the light. Okay, so it has a nice EK logo and two inlet and outlet, which are secure with plugs, plastic plugs. Okay, so it's a brass radiator and okay, let's see what we can see in there. Well, so that's it. This is just a nicely made 280mm radiator from EK. Very nice paint job on this one. It has writings about the model LC Solutions CoolStream CE. Okay, and I hope it's gonna fit nicely in my PC case. Evolve Shift X with my X4 Photon 170 pump. Well, I'm planning on screwing the pump to the side of this radiator. Okay, yeah. Thank you guys for watching. If you wanna get more information on this deal, you will see the link in the description below. Thank you for watching and see you later. Bye.